नमस्ते सर।
नमस्ते।
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Today there is an issue. There is no electricity. And you might be finding my face is dark. My laptop is running on
Yes,
battery, and the battery may not last more than 20 or 25 minutes. Okay. Now what it reads is 18 minutes. Okay. So in that case, I may get disconnected. Then I'll come back on my mobile. Okay. So you have to stay
Yes, sir.
tuned. By hooks or crooks, I'll be coming back.
सर लैग हो रहा है।
क्या बोले? हेलो,
लैग हो रहा है।
क्या नहीं हो रहा है?
हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलो।
लैग हो रहा है। आवाज लैग हो रहा है आपका।
अच्छा, तो is it the problem with all of you?
no, sir.
Okay, so you need to move around in your home where you find better coverage. Okay.
ओके।
You know, if you got a Jio mobile, you can tweak it so that you get better coverage. You can go to APN setting and change APN to manual mode and IPv4 if you select. It will work at a higher frequency and you will get better connectivity. So these tricks are given on internet, you go through that. Okay. I think this was the last sub that we did.
Yes, sir.
Right?
From 13, sir.
Yeah. This one was given as homework. How many of you have tried this 12th and numerical? I believe none of you. Okay, the question is, charge of 8 millicoulomb is located at the origin. So it is here. Calculate the work done in taking a small charge of this much amount from P003 z-axis. This is x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0, z coordinate 3. So you can see it is shown on z-axis. Point P is here. From here you will take charge to Q. So you have to shift it from P to Q. But route is not straight. You have to take it via R. P to R, R to Q. Coordinates of R are 0, 6, 9. Can you tell it is in which plane?
YZ plane.
It is in YZ plane. So your task is take this much charge from P to R to Q and you have to calculate the work done. Okay. Now, do we need to find work done to shift the charge from P to R and then R to Q? This is one of the options. Another option, find work done in shifting it from P to Q, straight, direct, which is possible option,
P to Q.
P to Q. But you are given path P to R to Q. Why not that? In solution also you find they have done work done to find from P to Q. Look at the formula. They have bothered only about initial position and final position. Why if they not?
Force.
Yeah, electric field is a conservative field in which work done depends only upon end points P and Q. It doesn't make any difference how you are taking charge from P to Q. So you could have taken from P to R to Q, P to VC school and then to Q, P to origin and then to Q. Each time your answer will remain same. That is written here. Work done in taking the charge Q0 from P to Q does not depend on the path. And why it does not depend upon path? So what Darshan said, it is conservative force or conservative field. And so W equal to K U into Q. So this is Q. So here, what is Q? 8 millicoulomb charge. Or is it this charge? Which is Q0 and which is Q? 8 millicoulomb and minus 2. Out of this, which is Q and which is Q0?
Sir, Q 8 into 10
Q0
to
P.
minus 3.
The one which is located at the origin is the source of electric field. So 8 millicoulomb is Q0. And which charge you are shifting? Minus 2 to 10 raised to minus 9. ठीक है, तो ये है Q0 and this is Q. This formula already we had. Put down the values and get the answer 1.2 joule. I'm not entering into that detail. Fine?
Yes.
Now 7 minutes left in my battery. Look at 2.13. Read the question.
KQ by R.
ये पहले तो मेरे को ये समझाओ. Switch off your microphones. What is the question? At which alphabets charge is kept? At A, what you have? At A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the vertices of a cube. What is kept at each vertex?
Charge Q.
Charge Q at each vertex. Total, how many charges are there? 1, 2, 3,
8.
4. And 4 at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total, how many charges are used?
8.
8 charges. What you have to find? Potential and electric field. Where? At the center. O. Okay. So let's go with the potential. If you want to find potential at O due to charge at A, only this part, okay? O is at the center and there is only one charge at A. What will be the potential due to charge at A? What is the
KQ by R.
Formula is
A cube by R.
Sir, into 8 हो जाएगा.
E equal to A Q by R. Instead of R, can I write K Q by AO? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what you have to find is distance AO. Okay. How will find AO? So what we are going to do, look at the diagram. We'll find distance from D to F,
F.
and half of it is O to D or O to C or O to G or O to H or O to A. Okay. The next task is how will find a D to F distance. It is written in single step here.
Sir, but we
Okay. D to C कितना distance है? Now stay focused and now B. C to G कितना है?
D
B. तो D to G distance कितना होगा?
root of
2B.
B square.
Okay, now let's see. ठीक है. Now this is a right angle, 90 degree. This distance is B, this is also B. So this is hypotenuse of that. So it looks like this. B and B. So hypotenuse is going to be root of B square plus B square. And that equal to root 2B. Do you follow that? So this is root 2B. Now come to this side. This is also B. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So this triangle was D, C, and G. Fine, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is again a right angle triangle. So this will look like this. This is root 2B. This is D. This is G. And this is F. Distance is B. तो ये जो distance आएगा, I'm showing it here. So it's going to be root 2B square plus B square और उसका root. Is equal to 2B square plus B square. Root 2 square is 2. B square is B square. Plus B square continued. This is going to be root 3B. So this is root 3b. Okay. So I'm disconnecting now and I'll come back on my mobile. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. तो हम भी कनेक्ट रहे इधर.
हाँ, आप कनेक्ट ही रहो. And Darshan, you are the host.